Sabi mo sa akin 150.
50 lang. Ayun.
Uy, 100 yun.
50 lang.
Bakit?
Ano yan na pag nanalo?
Di mo sa 100.
Yung malaki pa ang bahon.
Sa akin na 100 na.
Hindi na ko yun.
Maglakad ka na lang.
Di mo sa akin yung 100.
Oo, sige na.
Bigyan mo sa akin.
Yan.
Kailangan mo.
Yan. Ayun na, lupin na ako.
Ay, pa showtime.
Hindi mo na, di mo ako mo.
Showtime pa.
Showtime daw yun.
May dugo.
Ginugo si Vice Ganda.
May dugo.
Ginugo si Vice Ganda.
Araw ng itim yun, hindi naman showtime
Yan,
yun.
kuya.
No.
Ginugo si Vice
Showtime,
Ganda.
may dugo. Joshua. Bago silang guys, Joshua.
Ayun na.
Diyos mo'y
Nag-iba lang yung intro nila. Pero showtime na.
Sir Ned, magandang araw po sa inyo. Sana po ay mapili niyo ang kwento ko. Hindi po kasi ako mapakali hanggat hindi ko rin nasi-share ang sarili kong karanasan na may kinalaman sa puno sa likuran ng aming bahay. Ako nga po pala si Jasmine. Dalawa lang po kaming magkapatid at ako ang bunso. Si Ate Joanne po ay nakatayan ng anak na 1 taong gulang.
Ate.
Sa kagustuhan po niyang huwag mapalayo sa amin ang baby niya, ay doon niya ito pinalibing sa tabi mismo ng punong mangga sa loob ng aming bakuran. At tulad ng nasabi ko kanina,
Ate.
ito ay nasa bandang likuran ng bahay namin. Alam po lahat ng pamilya
Ate.
ko na nakakakita
Tako na naman!
at iba pang uri ng nilalang. Bata pa lang ako ay
Yes.
naobserbahan na nila ito sa akin. Madalas daw akong may tinuturo sa kung saan ako makakita ng hindi pangkaraniwang
Uy,
nilalang.
James na.
Wala, dali na.
Hindi ako manunod niya.
Ilang araw lang ang
Tama.
nakalipas
Dali.
mula nang mailibing
Hindi
namin
na.
si Baby Joshua sa tabi ng punong mangga. Habang nagkakape ako ng gabi,
Well,
ay
Wild.
natanaw ko mula sa bintana ng kusina
Iba
namin
yung size ng ano.
ang tila batang
17 pala.
umali-aligid sa puno.
Yun o. Wala.
Isa,
Pinagtatatak ko ito, paikot-ikot doon. Dahil hindi
Ang
naman
dami.
sa akin ang mga ganoon,
29?
kaya hindi ko na lang pinansin.
34.
Naisip ko, si Baby Joshua. Baka ako, ito ang batang nakikita ko. Malabo naman kasi ang muka at sobrang bilis lang ng kanyang paggalaw.
45.
Ay
Oo,
palagi ko
89.
nakikita ang multong batang yon. Hindi ko na lang din sinabi kay ate dahil baka lalo lang siyang malungkot kapag
Pero,
naaalala niya yung anak niya.
sayang.
Nung
May
umalis
score
na
lang.
si ate dahil kinailangan
Malaki
niya
pa yung
magtrabaho
ano.
sa ibang bansa, ang masiglang bata na nakikita kong paikot-ikot sa malaking puno
Tuloy ko pa
ay
abot.
biglang nagbago.
Nasugot
Nakaupo
pa
na lang
mo?
ito sa
Oh.
paanan ng
Bakit?
puno at hindi na
Sige na.
naglalaro.
Kinagat niya daw.
Marahil ay
Kinagat mo?
ikinalungkot niya ang pag-alis ni Ate Joanne.
Kaya ba yung nakasugot eh?
Ano?
Ano?
Inutin mo na paano papa mo.
Ay hindi ko na ito nakita. Kung bakit ay hindi ko alam. Parang nasanay na ako na nakikita ko siya. Kaya sa tuwing mapapatingin ako sa malaking puno ng mangga, ay hindi maaaring, hindi ko maaalala si Baby Joshua. Nakakapanghinayang yung nangyari sa kanya. Tingin ko ay sobrang nakaapekto kay ate yung nangyari sa anak niya.
Yun.
Kasi hanggang ngayon, Sir Nev, ay hindi na ulit siya nagkaanak.
Nonsense.
Boss.
Ano oras namin?
Eleven
Yar.
22. Lugo na.
Magandang araw po.
Uy.
Ako po si Vicente ng Surigao. Isa rin po sa mga avid followers niyo, Sir Nev. Tulad po ng iba, ay may kababalaghan din akong karanasan.
Nicole.
Ito po ay nangyari noong binata pa ako. Sa harap po kasi ng bahay namin ay may malaking puno. Hindi ko alam, Sir Nev, kung anong pangalan ng punong yon. Hindi kasi pamilyar sa akin yung mga dahon. Parang kakaiba. Kung tawagin nga ng mga kapitbahay namin yon, ay puno ng engkanto. Sabi kasi nila, ay may nakakita na raw ng maligno na nakatayo rito. Ang iba naman ay kapre. Pero syempre, hindi ko masyadong pinapansin ang mga ganoong usapan. Dahil lahat naman halos ng malalaking puno ay ginagawa ng issue ng iba. Lalo na para katakutan ng mga bata na gabi na ay nasa kalye pa.
Okay.
Pero isa
Water.
Ay, piso.
Pero isang gabi, Sir Neb, habang naglalakad ako pa uwi, ay bigla na lamang akong nakarinig ng pagsutsot. Pagtapat ko sa punong yon, lumingon lang ako at wala naman akong nakita kaya pumasok na ako sa aming bakuran. Bago ako makapasok ng pintuan, ay muli kong narinig yung sutsot at sa pagkakataong yon ay parang marami na ito at nagtatawanan pa. Yun bang parang ikaw mismo ang pinagtatawanan? Nang laki yung ulo ko, nang muli kong nilingon yung puno sa harapan. Wala naman akong nakitang kakaiba, Sir Neb. Pero ang mga nakakairitang sutsot at tawanan na yon ay
Okay.
nagpatindig talaga ng balahibo ko dahil dinig na dinig ko naggagaling mismo yun sa puno. Para akong pinako sa kinatatayuan ko habang pakiramdam ko ay maiihi na ako sa takot. Gustuin ko mang putulin yung punong yon ay hindi ko magawa dahil sabi ng itang ko ay bawal daw. Ilang beses ko pa ulit narinig yung nakakatakot na mga tinig na yon na nagmumula sa puno. Pero ang payo ng albularyo sa amin ay huwag ko raw bigyang pansin para hindi ako gambalain ng mga nilalang na naninirahan sa punong yon. Kasi kahit daw siya ay hindi niya matukoy kung mabuti ba ang mga yon o masama. Sa lahat po ng mga taga-subaybay ng Pinoy Creepypasta, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na po sa iyo, Sir Neb. Tawagin niyo po akong Jingkay. Katiwala
Jingkay.
ng isang rest house sa Antipolo.
Kutsinta.
I-share ko lang po sa inyo ang nangyari sa amo kong lalaki noong umuwi ito galing sa ibang bansa. Pinarenovate niya yung rest house niya. Gusto kasi niya na mas lalo pa itong mapaganda dahil plano niyang mamalagi doon ng matagal. Nung magpa-renovate po siya, ay pinakalitan niya ang malaking puno sa gilid ng kanyang bakuran dahil nakakasagabal daw ito sa ipapagawa niyang garahe. Pero mula nang ito ay tinaguan na siya ng sakit. Sobrang taas ng ladyat niya pero hindi makita ng doktor ang pinagmumulan nito. May mga inireseta sa kanyang gamot, kaya lang ay wala itong naitulong sa kanya. Bukod doon, Sir Neb, napansin ko pa sa akin na palagi siyang tumatayo ng matagal sa lugar kung saan nakapwesto dati yung pinag na naputol niya or siyang tumatayo roon bago nagpapasyang pumasok uli sa loob ng bahay. Pero maya-maya lang ay lalabas na naman siya at tatayo ulit ng matagal doon. Pakiwari ko ay isa sa puno. Nag-alala ako sa Neb. Mag-isa lang ang amo ko, kaya kami mag-asawa ang tumawag sa albularyo para pakinggan yung nangyayari sa kanya. Nagkakahirap ibala. Ang nakatira sa puno yun na walang tahanan ay galing sa amo ko. Kaya pinakusahan nito sa pamamagitan ng pagbalik dito sa puno niya. Ginawa nilang tahanan ang mismong katawan ng amo ko. Kaya madalas ay wala ito sa sarili at hindi nawawala ang lagnat. Nakipag-usap ang albularyo sa mga hindi nakikitang nilalang ngayon at nakipagkompromiso na kung ibabalik nila ang katauhan ng amo ko ay papalitan nila ng bagong
blue nga.
ang
Ha?
pinagawa nito.
Tama ni.
Ano?
Kung hindi papayag ang mga nilalang na ito ay mapipilitan ang
Kasi
albularyo
sinabi yan
na
nung una
labanan
eh.
sila.
Sabi ko blue.
Mabuti na lang ang lumayag daw ang mga
Sabi yung circle eh.
dahil noong oras din yun ay bumalik na sa dami ang amo ko. Ito ng tawad sa mga application ng residente ng puno. Kumuha rin siya ng mga trabahador para magtanim ng mga puno sa paligid ng property. Pero sa kwentong ito, Sir Ned, nawala yung albularyo. Noong una nga ayaw niyang
Piso?
tanggapin. Pero pinilit ko talaga siya na tanggapin yun. Kasi sayang naman. Ang katwiran ng albularyo, Sir Nev, kapag daw tinanggap niya yun, ay kailangan na niyang tumigil sa kanyang propesyon. Kasi hindi daw dapat talaga nagpapabayad yung mga albularyo dahil mawawalan sila ng kakayahan. Sa huli ay tinanggap din naman ng albularyo yung pera. Pero yun nga lang, nagtayo na lang siya ng maliit na negosyo at tumigil na siya sa panggagamot kahit marami ang lumalapit sa kanya.
Yung dami.
O, doon sa shouting.
Yan pa. Yan mo.
Oh!
Gomyo, Chris, Gomya.
Oo.
Chris na.
Oh, wala.
Gusto daw, pagpagkita mo na lang.
Mater. Tato yun. Ano? Gusto. Gusto. Is.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. We are gonna play hide and seek in an amusement park. Let's go! I know I have cheated in the past. I promise you I will not cheat during this hide and seek. Here's my phone. Whoever wants to hold on to it. Honestly, just trust me this time because if I do cheat, I'm gonna have to ride the roller coaster 20 times in a row. I will not do that. Okay, 50 times. Okay. We trust you. We trust you. You guys are gonna have 10 minutes to hide, and I have to find you guys within 30 minutes or I lose. You is not finding me, my boy. I'm the best at hide and seek. You guys both came prepared. Justin, all the black, all sleek. Okay, that starts now. Go back. Let's go. Man, meet up. Hey, yo. Group meeting. Little did you know. No, we are all, in fact, cheating. The tables have turned. The cheat code. Feels good to be on this side. Let's sit at the lunch table right here. Ooh, I love lunch. I have a morph suit that I'm going to get into, and I'm going to go into the laser tag room. That's my plan.
One
My plan already started. I put an air tag in his hood. Bro, I saw that. I didn't even see that. Wait, how did you slip that in? Put my hand around his shoulder, and I just dropped it in his hood. I got this all planned out. I cut up a basketball earlier, but put my head inside of it. I'm going to hide in a rack. You're going to hide in a rack.
I'm asking a worker for their uniform.
We're basically chilling.
We're good.
Wait, how much time do we have to hide?
10 minutes, probably 9. Should we go?
Wait, hold on. Put the hands in. 1, 2, 3. Hey. We out. So this is a part where I would tell you guys if I'm cheating. For once, I actually don't want to cheat. So this is a legit hide and seek. I'm actually going to be trying to find them. No devices to help me cheat. None of that. It's all legit. Going here real quick? Whoa. This is like a real working. We got about 7 minutes left until I can start seeking. I actually got here an hour earlier just so I can prepare this. With this disguise, I'm going to literally disappear.
Well, I have all his supplies right now. I need to find a place to put these, and then I need to find a very nice worker who's going to let me borrow their outfit. That's my first move.
Man, you got an air tag. You got like the easiest one, dude. You got his location on your phone. Yeah, I have on my phone. I'm about to pull it up. Bro, you have to check out my spot too. I might need you to help me out since you got the air tag. Go on and I'll move from there.
There are people right here. They're just chit-chatting. I don't want to see.
What you looking for?
I'm looking for employees that will switch clothes with me.
Oh, I think right there.
Excuse me, are you willing to switch outfits with me or at least let me borrow your uniform? I think so. Really? Okay, let's do it.
I can't prepare. Not only that, though, hold on. You never know when you're going to need a flashlight, so I brought that as well. One of the employees actually left this door open for me. Okay, never mind, they didn't. Wait, yeah, right here. Try to make sure all the balls are ready to go. What? This guy got the whole thing. I can read it the whole
Are you able to give me things to do here?
Yeah, if you want. Right now, I'm kind of stalking the food.
I need to be doing something while you watch my things. Oh, he will not.
Ano?
Hindi mo din.
Lapit mo si Ryan.
There's a laser tag right inside of this arcade, and that's where I'm gonna be at. Hi. Thank you so much. You have my suit? Yes, let's go. Thank you so much. Alright, this is my boy's phone right here, and we got 30 minutes starting.
Paano mo kay Purpose?
This is gonna be too easy. I'm finding everyone within 10 minutes. Mark my words. Have you guys seen anyone hide in the amusement park?
Babe mo kayong pulbos po.
No, sorry.
Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Look, I'm already trying to cheat.
Ryan is still counting. You just saw that. He was still counting his moving. I gotta get out of here. Oh my god. I really don't know what to do right now.
How's it going, bro? Am I good to just go in here? Thank you, brother.
I have not put one of these on since like elementary school. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. This barely fits. Alright, y'all, we're good to go. Let's head inside. Yo, I can barely see. I'm not gonna lie, but this is pretty crazy. Bro, it's so dark in here. Oh, this is way better.
Bro, there's so much room for me to hide in here.
I'm gonna just sit here, wait till I see him. As soon as I see him, I'm turning around, stalking the balloons.
Yo, have you seen anyone hiding somewhere, like with GoPros and stuff? Thank you, bro. Thank you. I promise I'm not gonna do that anymore. It's just a little joke, but I didn't expect him to tell me where someone was. But okay, I'm so not worried that I'm gonna get Wetzel present.
I'm not gonna lie, it's so hard to see like where he is. So he's by the entrance of the park.
Yeah.
So that thing right there is him. He's by the roller coaster, and that's all the way in the front of the park. But right now we're good. You just gotta stay low key. Oh, there's an upstairs.
I'm definitely going up here, bro. What? Bro, it looks like I'm in a movie right now. I'm gonna chill in here, set up a little base. Nobody is finding me.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let's freaking go, baby. Look, I said he saw someone by the ice churro. Let's see. Imagine someone's a trash can. Okay, we're good. Nothing there. Maybe in here. Oh, someone did that blinker right there. Look at that. Maybe that's where he saw the person go. Oh, you can't even open this. Let's see if there's any movement. I don't think anyone's back.
Oh no, other employees are looking at me like, why isn't she doing anything?
Where could this guy be? I see his location, and I see him keep popping up, but what is he doing? I'm using this tree as cover up. I think he'll see me behind this.
Just for now, I took off my mask. I can barely see a thing in there. I'm probably the most confident out of all the people playing in this game. This is probably the most perfect place I got.
I feel like one of my friends is hiding in there. Can I check? Thank you so much. I feel like someone that's hiding is cheating for sure, and they're gonna use some of the employees for distraction. The park actually opens to the public in like 20 minutes, so it's gotta be super packed. If I don't find everyone by then it's gonna be even more impossible because there's gonna be hundreds of people here. I think we're clear here.
Alright guys, he's moving the opposite way of me right now, so I feel like I pop out right now. Let's see what we're about because his location keeps moving. This is scary.
Oh, I see him. So he's going towards where we had our team meeting. So he's not gonna find any of us there.
Honestly, where could they even hide here, you know? Like, I feel like no one would literally go through that hole right there and hide under the ride. I think this is all clear, bro. Okay, honestly, it's not fun not cheating.
Definitely someone's in here.
Oh, there's literally nowhere you can hide. I think this is clear.
There's glass here, so I gotta be careful. I can see through over there, but I don't know where he is. It's showing he's right across this glass right here, so hopefully he doesn't see me through the glass.
I genuinely feel bad for Rug at this moment. Now all we have to do is play the waiting game and hope for the best.
정말 어린이집?
새로운 생각자니? 원장님이 보시기에 느낌은 어떤 것 같아요?
머리는 한국하고 다른 일본 가졌어.
그래도 뭔가 매력이 있어요.
Sige yan.
Can I get in the cave here? bro. Someone's gotta be in the arcade. Anything yet?
No.
Okay.
What you play? Are you playing like hide and seek or something?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
It's so loud in here, but I think we're clear in here. I'm trying to look at his glass. We're gonna leave here. I think he's all the way down there.
Guys.
What the heck? Hold on, what are you doing?
Dennis couldn't even tell. Dennis walked right past me. How do you
He's never gonna find him. He's coming towards us. I swear he's coming towards us. I gotta go.
I didn't find someone. Oh my god, there's a school bus that just pulled up. Bro, we're done. Oh my god, they're all off the bus. Okay, arcade? There has to be someone hiding here.
I'm shaking. Oh no, there's a bunch of things. Wait, I think I should hide from them too.
Let's see. Have you seen anyone hiding? No? Am I allowed to check in there? Yeah, okay. It's a laser tag? Okay.
Laser tag, huh? Someone's gotta be in here for sure.
Oh my god, I hear Brian. There's absolutely no way Rook just walked in.
Oh, there's an upstairs. That's sick. We're going up. So you can go hide. Oh, is someone in there? Okay, someone's definitely hiding in here, bro. Dude, let's go! Bro, what is this? How? This outfit?
How do you see me?
There was literally a G7X
Hey, but bro, I went through the effort of doing all this, bro.
Wait, where did you get this from? Is that a morph suit? That's not really considered cheating, right?
No, I don't think so.
Right? Like, it's just your outfit.
It's my attire.
I hate to break the news to you, but you're the first one found.
Yeah, that's it.
Wait, that's a cool hiding spot, though. I'm not gonna lie.